Hey, this is an unboxing video because I got a pack. This is from South Africa, from Werner of Emperor's Workshop. And this is a pack, I guess, for Zealand Open stuff that he is sponsoring for Zealand Open. So I will unpack it while we watch here. It's a rather large pack, isn't it? So Werner has been very good. He's been featured on my channel here. I've done a few shout outs to him because of this. He has a very nice sort of hobby game supply shop called Emperor's Workshop, and they do, especially their mats and their dice trays are really cool, and he has promised to sponsor some of that goodies for Zealand Open. So I think this is it. If I could open this goddamn box. Here we go. So what do we have? And this is both an unboxing and a reveal to the players going to Zealand Open. Right. DHL has really packed this up nicely for us. I can see. I'm gonna cut everything up here. I don't want to do this anymore. It's really well packed. But it has been traveling quite a lot. South Africa to Scandinavia, isn't it? That's a lot of travel to do. So it needs, of course, to be well protected. Let's see. We can move this. Wow. This is not making great content for the video, right? Just me handling a lot of stuff. Right. And another pack inside. Some of these, because this is the mats. Some of these mats are going to be handed out as prizes at Zealand Open. So this is dice trays. Look at that. This is it. Look at these beauties with our logo on them and Emperor's Workshop, the makers. We've got one. Oh, and they even smell nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, enough so that I have one at each table. Werner, thank you so much for this. I hope that the players who win these enjoy them as well. They will be on the tables for people to throw their dice into at Zealand Open. See you there. Thank you so much, Emperor's Workshop. Link in the description. Cheers.